Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. That exercise 5.6, simplify. Simplify means here can be add or can be subtract or can be both. Here can be add or can be subtract, can be both. So in first question you are looking add and subtract both. So first of all we will convert this thing in improper fraction. This mixed fraction is given, mixed fraction is given, mixed fraction is given. So 3 2 is 6 plus 1 7 upon 3 plus 2 4 is 8 1 9 upon 2 minus 4 1 is 4 plus 1 5 upon 4. So LCM of these three, the LCM of denominators is 12. How you will be find the LCM? You know that 3 comma 2 comma 4. Check the 2 can be divided any number? Yes. This is not 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. Again check 2 can be divided any number? Yes. 2 3 is similar, 1 is similar, 2 1 ja 2. Check again, 2 can be divided any number? No. Now 3 can divide any number? Yes. 1 ja 1 ja 1 ja. So everyone is here, all the 1 has come here. So multiply these 2. 2 2 ja 4 3 ja 12. So that is a LCM, right? Now how you will be do? First of all you will write the 7, okay, then after you will be write multiply, okay. First of all you will write 7, then after multiply and then read the table of 3 up to 12. So 3 4 ja 12, 3 4 ja 12, so that will become 4 and then plus similarly 9, right, and then multiply, read the table of 12. So 2 6 ja 12, 2 6 ja 12 minus 5, multiply that 4, read the table of 4, 4 3 ja 12, 3 ja 12. So that's coming in table. That time you will be right here 7 4 ja 28 plus 9 6 ja 54 minus 5 3 ja 15 upon 12, and then these two in plus, so add 8 4 12, carry 1 5 2 7 1 8 minus 15 upon 12 is equal to, subtract that, 12 less 5 7, then 7 7 less 1 6 upon 12, and then convert in mixed fraction. How you will be convert that 12 5 ja 60 and then 7 is left 12. This is the answer. Question number second, 3 whole 1 upon 3, 3 whole 1 upon 3 plus 2 whole 1 upon 9 minus 1 whole 3 upon 6, 3 upon 6. So again here we will do, first of all convert in improper fraction. So 3 3 is 9 1 10 upon 3 plus 9 2 is 18 1 19 upon 9 minus 6 1 is 6 3 9 upon 6 and then after LCM will be 18. You can find here LCM. So 10 multiply, read the table of 3, 3 6 ja 18, 18 is coming in 6 time, so 6 plus 19 multiply, now the table of 9, 9 2 ja 18, 2 ja 18, that 2, 9 multiply 6 3 ja 18, 3 ja coming 18, that 10 6 ja 60 plus 19 2 ja 38 minus 9 3 ja 27 upon 18. Now first of all we will add these two, 8 9 minus 27 upon 18, and then after subtract 8 less 7 1, 9 less 2 7, 18. So that you will be converting mixed fraction, 18 3 ja 54 and then left is 17 upon 18. Question number next is fourth. Third question for homework. Fourth, 7 whole 1 upon 8 minus 11 upon 12 plus 3 whole 1 upon 4. So first of all we will convert in improper fraction. 8 7 is 56, 57. 57 upon 8, this one is given already, plus 4 is 12, 13 upon 4, so that LCM is 24. LCM is 24. So that 57 multiply 8 3 is 24 minus 11 into 12 2 is 24 plus 13 into 4 6 is 24. Right? And then 57 3 ja 3 7 ja 21, 3 7 ja 21, carry 2, 3 5 ja 15, 16 17 minus 11 2 ja 22 plus 13 6 ja 78, you know the table, 24. And then these two in plus, this in plus, so this one we will add 1 8 9 7 7 14, carry 1 2 minus 22 upon 24. So subtract this, 9 less 2 7, 4 less 2 2, and then 2 upon 24. And then how you will be write in mixed fraction? This is just difficult to write in mixed fraction. So see that how many time go that will be go? 9 time. 9 4 ja 36, carry 3, 9 2 ja 18, 19 20 21, and then 17 7 less 6 1 1. So that in mixed fraction that will be 9 whole 11 upon 24. 9 whole 11 upon 24. And then after we will see the part number 3 part more we will see here. The next part is fifth part. Fifth part, that 5 whole 1 upon 3 plus 4 whole 4 upon 5 minus 3 whole 1 upon 15. You know the very important exercise for your next classes. 5 3 is 15 1, 16 upon 3 plus 5 4 is 20 and 4 24 upon 5 minus 15 3 is 45 and 1 46 upon 15. So that LCM is 15. So 16 multiply 3 5 ja 15 plus 24 multiply 5 3 ja 15 minus 46 multiply 15 1 ja, that 16 5 ja 80 plus 24 3 ja 72 minus 46 1 ja 46, and then 15. And then after these two in plus, that is 2 7 8 15 minus 46 upon that is 15, same will come, and then subtract the both. 12 less 6 6, 4 less 4 0, and then 1. Now in mixed fraction 15 7 ja 105 and then 1. Fifth part, then after sixth part, 3 whole 1 upon 5 plus 2 whole 1 upon 4 minus 4 whole 1 upon 2. 5 is 15 and 1 16 upon 5 plus 4 2 is 8 1 9 upon 4 minus 4 2 is 8 1 9 upon 2. And then LCM is, that will be 20. 16 multiply 5 4 is 20 9 multiply 4 5 ja 20 minus 9 multiply 2 10 ja 20, and then 16 4 ja 64 plus 9 5 ja 45 minus 10 9 ja 90 upon 20, and then these two in plus 4 5 9 6 4 10 minus 90 upon 20, and then subtract 9 less 0 9, 10 less 9 1 upon 20, and then seventh part you will done by yourself, and see the eighth part. 2 whole 1 upon 8 plus 3 whole 1 upon 4 minus 4 whole 3 upon 5. So 8 to the 16 1 17 upon 8 minus 4 3 are 12 1 13 upon 4 minus 5 4 20 23 upon 5, and then LCM will be 40. So 17 into 8 5 ja 40 minus 3 into 4 10 ja minus 23 into 5 8 ja 40, and this is a plus, sorry, this is plus. 17 5 ja 85 plus 3 13 10 ja 130 minus 23 8 ja, you don't know the table, so 8 3 are 24, carry 2 8 to 16 17 18, and then upon 40. Now these two in plus 5 8 3 11, and then minus 184 upon 40. Now subtract 5 plus 4 1, and then 11 less 8 3 upon 40, that is answer.